Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the ribbon toolbar in Office products like OneNote or Word. This is a handy trick if you want to maximize your screen space while working on documents or notes, giving you a cleaner, more focused workspace. Let's jump right in and get this sorted out. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app. Once it launches, go ahead and load into your notebook. This could be any notebook you're currently working on or one you use regularly. The important thing is to have OneNote fully open and ready so you can see the ribbon toolbar at the top of your screen. The ribbon is that section that displays all your formatting options, tabs, and tools for editing. Now, once your notebook has fully loaded and you're looking at your workspace, here's where the magic happens. To show or hide the ribbon toolbar in Office products like OneNote, the process is actually pretty straightforward and can be toggled with a simple shortcut key. All you need to do is hold down your Ctrl key and press F1. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the ribbon toolbar either hides or shows, depending on its current state. If the ribbon is visible, pressing Ctrl and F1 will hide it, giving you more vertical space to work with your content. If it's already hidden, the same shortcut will bring it back so you can access all your formatting and editing tools again. This shortcut works consistently across most Microsoft Office products, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and of course, OneNote. So once you learn this quick toggle, you can use it anywhere within the Office suite. It's especially useful when you're working on a laptop or a smaller screen where every bit of space counts. You can focus entirely on your writing or notes without the toolbar taking up room, and then bring it back instantly whenever you need to format something or use a specific tool. The beauty of this method is its simplicity. You don't have to dig through menus or settings panels. Just one quick keyboard combination and you're done. It's a time saver that can really streamline your workflow, especially if you're someone who likes a minimalist, distraction-free environment while working. Plus, since it's reversible with the exact same shortcut, you never have to worry about losing access to your tools. And that's it. You've now got full control over whether the ribbon toolbar is visible or hidden in your Office apps, all with a simple Ctrl and F1 press. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.